For NRG, this is a must-win. I'll take that very plainly. You do not want to be a map down headed into that Ancient, even if NRG has started to really like that Ancient. These players down. A nice flashbang from oSee.
How about
Oh!
Nice. Oh, got B player.
Maybe Amy's gonna. I think D-Box. I remember D-Box.
I'm on the road.
Time for spawn. Oh, okay.
Who spawned? Nothing temple.
Spawn.
Nice, bro. I'll see him. Watch out, temple.
No. Stay alive, stay alive, stay alive. Come in temple.
Hold bomb. It's playing spawn.
Nice, man.
Good round, guys.
Ready?
Molly. Who's gonna play in between with smoke shadows after, please. Oh, fuck it.
I can flash that.
Also shots.
Okay.
Looking. I can flash over doors.
Yeah, flash.
Flashing over doors.
Drop nade in the water. It's gonna be
pressure A, guys.
I'm gonna flash after.
Opping mid. Hey!
Double E-box.
Okay. Playing off.
Flashing empty.
Need a flash, shoot.
More.
I got a plan. Might run out.
One's coming out.
Oh, bricks.
I honestly don't feel good about this for NRG because you talked about it already. Map 1 was kind of a must-win if they had a chance in this series, and
Blind on it.
Nice, Ivy main. Nice, good job. Ivy main.
Yeah, one more close.
Out of main. One out of main. Both. One's low.
Planning.
Yo, they can push the block. One broke.
I'm gonna flash soon.
Spawn in temple. Temple last.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's go. I don't see him pull.
Don't see him cat. I think they're regrouping A or going B. You saw the smoke.
Hey,
on
mate.
B. I'm coming.
Nice.
Bomb. Pushing you. One more pushing you.
Nice. I'm taking spawn.
Default. Default punch. Nice.
Op like aim in.
One's on
One aim in.
Spawn.
Nice. Good job.
Actually, keep the AK, bro.
That guy took so long to come out. Big cave again. One cave, one round. Cave's not progressing. Ref, cave dead.
Config.
Walk quick behind. 20 seconds.
And a wall.
Looking at long.
Down.
Default.
Pillar.
Flash.
One temple. One temple.
Donut.
Wow.
Dead.
Who's the tree they don't know yet?
I can't go with the bomb. I'm gonna give you a
Wait,
bomb.
flashing temple.
Flash one as well.
Planning.
Watch out behind now.
One spawn. One out. Default low. One more dead.
Default last.
No. Oh, no. Skating. Oh. Oh, we're jumping.
Good job.
Who's gonna play music? What do you
Who's Inferno, baby?
And we're back for the final map. For the final map that stands between one of these teams and the ESL Pro League.
Flash. Coming. I'm dead. Coffins holding. Coffins in one spawn. Could be in this smoke, guys. Take your time.
I'm a 5 back wall.
You gotta stabilize. Wait for Vince to come with the
Our
smoke.
smoke spawn. I forgot it.
I'm going
Evo.
for stun.
I'm blind. Not it.
Good.
Full blind. I can't play.
I'm playing it full
Two.
now.
I think two
I
back.
think it's
Right?
spawned off you.
Stun.
On it.
CT.
1v1.
Dead.
Good round. Nice entry, Tim.
Yeah. Wait. Molly spawn then.
Yeah, well.
Back up. Come on. I'm
Vince
playing my life, guys. I'm playing my life.
Go on, Vince.
Okay.
3,
3, 2, 1, go.
Nice.
Yo,
Good round, guys.
they can buy, right?
He's arch.
That's a beef.
They have bomb.
Hit.
I killed the operator.
One bottom view. Where's the other guy?
No idea. Could be both.
I think they're both.
Yeah, they could be both there.
Can we look for a smoke? I'm looking for a smoke. Keep waiting.
They may be in the corner.
This guy was bottom B.
I'm honestly just going. Yeah.
Nice!
Good
Going up?
round,
Up.
guys.
Let's go!
You're going one halls, green gloves. I'm on B.
Nice.
One more. And one mid.
One so long.
Two up. 3.
I'm coming side.
Low.
Hide. I'll play for you. Hall's one.
I'm back.
Balls in line.
Last guy on.
Run through.
Nice! Let's go, Nick. Bro, Nick, when you were messing up the jump.
Let
Holy
me
shit.
talk.
Yes, I couldn't jump.
Hey, listen to
Shut up.
Damien.
Wouldn't let me.
Shut up.
Shut up. Let me talk. Okay, on these rounds, they either
Ready?
Up mid.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Let's see.
Back up.
Fall.
Back it up.
Yeah, two more halls players.
Bunch of halls.
Nice.
One more, Barton.
Guys, just
Yo,
stay
I
together.
I pushed through.
B, just stay together. 5v2.
Get these guns mid.
Yeah, just get the guns later, and then we'll go retake.
Yeah, I'm
One all mid.
Wait, I have him. He's mid still.
Still mid. Just flank it.
Bait me, boiler.
I'm flanking.
One of
Mexi. Kill him.
Ready?
And one's B.
Mexi, peek.
3, 2.
Nice. Let's got B player. Yeah,
Stay together,
could be like
together.
a
Together. I have a flash.
Bait.
only play to spot. Don't take fights.
Stay with
Do we have
me.
bomb? Let's go.
Gotta go.
Let's suck this.
Wait, guns out.
Okay, exactly.
I'll smoke CT. Smoke coffin. I'll just smoke coffin. I got it.
Don't
Clutch
smoke
it.
CT.
Don't smoke it. Don't smoke it.
Ready? I'm swinging.
He has to look for a.
Swing now.
I get on it.
Hold it.
I get on it. It's a bad puncher back hole.
Bad plan for spawn.
Viper gets lineup. Shot on. There it is.
Nice.
oSee has done it. There is time
He's so hard.
enough.
Hold on.
Just about barely. And NRG are headed to the ESL Pro League.
Good job.
I told you, goldfish! Be goldfish! I'm halfway through a Rockstar. I cranked that after second map. You know, we're zooming right now.